South African magnet fisher here with another video for you guys on this very fine day. It's finally spring in South Africa, guys. Little buds are starting to come out. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt, meaning that it's not actually that cold at the moment. And behind me, guys, is the river I'm going to hit. There is another spot, maybe another 2 spots I might check out today, but I've been wanting to hit this specific water area behind me for quite a while now. I've been driving over this bridge. As you can see over here is a big bridge, goes all the way up to that side, and I've been meaning to hit this spot now for quite some time, so I'm quite excited to see what we got going on here. There's a little drain pipe over there, as you guys can see, where the water's flowing through. There's a massive bridge here, guys, so the water nicely passes through here. There's a little area there where the water bundles up. So hopefully, guys, we find something here. Maybe the guys throw some stuff off the bridges. Who knows? We'll see. We'll give this some time. We'll move on to 2 other spots. We'll hit them and then we will go from there. So, guys, let me get all my gear together. I'll see you guys down there. Alright, guys, so we're ready to get going here. We got the old cone magnet again, as you guys can see. Absolutely love my cone magnet, guys. It's pretty strong and it doesn't always get stuck. It does sometimes, but for the most part it's quite reliable. So let's get it in there. First cast of the day. We're going to go down this bank here and see what we can come back with. Alright, here we go. Alright, guys, let's get it back. It already got stuck. Alright, so I guess I gotta walk there. Gotta walk, got the magnet stuck, guys. Already got it stuck. Pull it this way. There we go. Got it undone. Oh, what is this? Somebody's toy. What is this, guys? Check this out. Oh, wow! There's a whole, like... That's cool. Nothing that time. Oh, something on here, guys. Try and rinse it off a bit. Check it out, guys. Got something on here. What is it? Just a random piece of plastic. Alright, so we got can, got this metal thing, okay. Alright guys, another bottle cap. Little screw thingy. The rest just stones. Get it back in there. Alright. Let's have a look guys. Oh, what is that? Got this funny. Oh, it's a USB. Check it out guys. It's actually a USB. Check it out. USB. Charge your phone or something. But I guess that one's going to be in its glory in for now. That ain't going to work again. Not very exciting, but a find nonetheless. Let's clean off the old magnet. Right guys, so what I'm doing now is I'm just walking through the river a little bit, just because it's quite shallow here. So I'm just going to be walking around with my magnet and just bobbing it around, and as I see things that look interesting, we'll pick it up. Alright, there's a can. Let's get that out of there. Shouldn't be in there. Alright. Oh look, golf ball. Check it out guys, it's a golf ball. Hey, I picked up a golf ball. That's cool. Oh my god guys, look. Check it out. It's cash. It's freaking cash. Cash. What the hell? It's freaking cash, guys. Holy shit. Check it out guys. I cannot believe that this just happened. This is actual cash that I can use. Look at this. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me put this stuff down guys. I cannot believe we just found cash. I cannot believe it. If I didn't catch this on video, guys, you'd think I was lying. Look it out. Check it out, guys. I mean, it's got this little string around it. It's got this little string around it. Does anybody know why anybody would do something like this? Anyone out there? any of my followers, you tell me, any random person, whether you're a subscriber or not, you tell me why somebody would throw money into the river like this. And it somehow ended up here, in the water, just because I'm taking a walk around. And you want to tell me what I do is not rewarding? This is insane, guys. This is insane. I'm going to take this off so we can count how much money is here. Oh, I can't believe this. Check it out. It's the little ribbon around it. So we got 1, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1200, 1300, 1400, 500, 6. Guys, there's like 1600 bucks here. I cannot believe this has just happened. I cannot believe it. It's going straight into my pocket. Yes! Insane. Insane, guys. Check it out. We'll get that all dried up. I cannot believe that just happened. Well, I guess we're going walking around the river a bit more. That is insane, guys. Oh, I spent quite a bit of time on that, but where have you ever seen anything like that, guys? That's insane. You know what I think, guys? It might have come out through a drain or something through that area up there. See that area up there? That's probably where it came from. I can't believe that just happened. That's freaking insane. Oh, that's awesome. All right, well, I think I'll do a little bit more walking around. If I find anything else, I'll bring you guys back into it to show you guys, all right? But until then, I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, so I got home, and I thought I'd quickly show you guys how much cash it is. All right, so that's 1. I'm just rinsing off the cash from the river. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and it was attached to this ribbon, guys, this ribbon, all wrapped up in that little gap, and there you go, guys. Can you believe it? 2,000 rand in cash found in the river hunting. How do you like that, guys? Don't tell me treasure hunting doesn't pay. Magnet fishing, river walking, that is my new gig. I look forward to this, guys. Thank you for watching. Always subscribe, guys. Always keep checking out my channel. And if you want to be reminded about my channel, go and hit the bell icon down at the bottom. And most importantly, guys, if you want to get your hands on the magnets that I use, All you have to do is go down to the description box and you will find all the links right down at the bottom. Again, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.